Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to use the new Summer Houses sticker book from Planything to decorate a spread. This book is currently available if you're interested in purchasing. It is linked down in my description with a 10% off code. So this one's fun. It's a book of just houses, and there's also some functional stickers in here. So it has like all the summer vibes, which is fun. And I'm really liking this blue theme because I feel like that's very different. So I might use the blue one. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, yeah. So let's do the blue one because I like the colors of this. So we're gonna use these. And then there's this whole sheet here that coordinates. And then I have a bunch of other stickers back here I can use. Ooh, these are nice. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I got options. So we're gonna start with covering this up. I was gonna use this washi, but I'm thinking it might need to use, I guess I could use this blue. It's not really the right kind of blue. This is from Planything too. Let's see if I have another kind of blue. Maybe, oops. This one probably works better. Okay, I'm gonna keep those two there. And then just take this long box. I always like to have a long box on this side. And I can do a box on top. Let's do this like khaki color here. I could put a house here. I feel like this one's good. You got a little view of the ocean on the side. It's kind of like coming out from behind there. I like that look. And then I could add a bigger one. Like maybe I can do, maybe like this one. Let's see if I can put this one on here. I feel like this is going to be a pretty quick spread because that's the great thing about this book is, I want to put washi down first. Everything's in here that you would need for a spread, so that makes things just easier when it comes to finding stickers and putting them down and all that. So yeah, always love when a spread comes together very nicely and quickly. Okay, so we have that there, and then I can do, I want to do like a circle sticker over here. And then, you know what I never do? I never cover up these little dots or these little like check marks, and I want to see how to look if I just use these. Oh yeah, it does. Perfect. Because then it adds color. I always feel like when I do these, I never want to cover up the checklist because it's very functional and I like to keep it as it is. But then it's kind of boring too in a way. But I think I'm not gonna have enough. Am I gonna have enough? Yeah, we'll have enough colors because I have 2 sheets. Okay, so it should be good. So I'm just gonna put a few of these down if I can. It's a little tedious, but we're gonna do it. And I could even do, like, you could change up the color if you wanted to. Let's just put what I have here first, and then maybe I could change up the color. Like break up the list a little bit. Okay. Yeah, because I'm not gonna have enough. So, and you could alternate the colors if you want to. That's always another option. We're just gonna change it up a little bit. Add in some of this darker blue over here. It's a nice size bullet point, so that's good. And then I could change it back to blue, the lighter blue, with this one. Okay, sorry, just have to make sure it's still filming. I've been like, my camera sometimes shuts off without me knowing it, so Or sometimes it turns black. That's even worse because, yeah, that's not fun. That's cool. Okay, I like that. And then let's add a quote because I have these really cool quotes right here. Also, I have these. These work? No, I don't like, the colors don't match. So we're gonna skip these pages, but these are really nice. So let's do this, take me to the ocean, or take me anywhere. Does that fit there? No. Let's do take me to the ocean because I feel like that fits better. I can kind of put it here next to this house. Or these houses. How pretty is that? Okay, I just need a little bit of washi up on the top. Sorry, there's like a plane going by. No, not a plane. It's like a helicopter. Oops. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I love that. It's like one place I always wanted to go is to Greece, so I'm loving these images. Okay, and I also really like this window one, so we're gonna put this window one over here just to start off this side of the spread. But first with a little white out over here, because I always like to use this little area as a decorative area because the rest I'd like to keep pretty functional. Okay, and then I could probably add in one more little house. Probably like this one. Maybe that one too. Okay, I have options. So I'm gonna go back to the boxes. Okay, here. And let's put washi down first. I'm thinking here I want it like in the middle. And the bottom maybe. Change it up a little bit. Here and here. All right, and back to my boxes. Okay, definitely have to add a circle sticker somewhere, so let me figure that out. I feel like with this box. Maybe something like this will work. Yeah. Okay, that works there. Maybe I could put, will this fit? Let me try this one. I have to cut it off a little bit. You can still see the ocean, so that's good. Okay, let me stick a few more boxes down. And I could do bullet points too. I feel like I need like greenery or something over here. But not green stickers. Let's see. I don't think there's anything in here though. Okay, I'm gonna put bullet points down. So I'm just trying to use this book and I don't wanna go in another book. Okay, let's add some little bullet points. I'll use the khaki or the tan ones. And then maybe I'll put a house over here too. Let's do this one. one. This looks a little different. Oh, it's too big. Yeah, I feel like the houses... You know what? Let me put it here in the middle. It still gives space to right over there, so that's good. Okay, and then let me see if I have a quote that might fit there. I think these are too big. Well, I have Hello Summer. It's too big. Unless I do it over here. I'm gonna do, yeah, Hello Summer. Okay, how pretty is that? Okay, so that is gonna be my spread. See, it's quick and easy little spread using the Summer Houses sticker book from Planything. Again, this will be linked. The site will be linked down in my description with my affiliate code if you're interested in purchasing awesome stickers. We have some really nice, fun washi. So definitely check out Planything for some fun stickers to add to your planner and washi. Also, there are planner stuff too, like planners and dashboards and like very seasonal stuff, so definitely check it out. But that's going to be it for this spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.